What is up? So today was okay. Okay today. So let me just break it out. Um, let me share my entire screen. So I can also shift to trading view. So let's break it out. All right. Um, so okay, let's go. What I was looking at 15-minute time frame. Go to 15-minute time frame. We have the most cleanest freaking place where the price can actually reverse. So we gotta have that in mind. The price is also taking out internal liquidities and also bouncing off a 15-minute time frame failed all you got. So I didn't actually look into that when I came to the market, but still, this is what I missed. So we have a 15-minute fair value gap, and this 15-minute fair value gap has been disrespected. So, what is the obvious draw next? Is this obvious draws? Yes, and can also depend. I mean, can also come back down to here, but as always, I can say if the price is gonna come back to this point, then this fair value gap is not gonna hold. And maybe sometimes if we get a strong reaction of that 15 minute fair value gap, and we might probably go lower, I mean higher. So we can expect the price to go higher. That's what I was looking at. We have a clean liquidity zone, which is the London low and also Asian's low. So that's two clean liquidity zones. So also that was inside a strong 15-minute time frame fair value gap. And I mark out my fib. You can also see that's a 50% of that whole range. So what is stopping us from taking a buy entry, right? I don't even know why the price didn't actually respect that 15-minute time frame fair value gap. Uh, this is what I was looking at once price market opened, and it literally gave me the A plus plus motherfucking setup. So it's right up here. When I see the moon, bro, what the hell is that? Literally, like, what is that? Tell me, please, somebody tell me. That's some change in delivery or market share. Change character royals, like two inverse value gap. On top of it, we also create a 1 minute time frame fair value gap. So freaking shit, I ended my first trade right after the scandal, keeping my stop loss below. Maybe I don't know. Like I was waiting for the price to create changes category, and I was expecting the price to go up and sweep all the highs, probably go higher than that. So that's like an A plus setup, right? So I thought the price is gonna go up a little bit more further. So when I entered right from the first moment I entered the candle, into the trade, boom, fucked up, got totally wrecked in the ass. So I immediately did one good thing. I changed my bias. So this is what I did. I took that as an inverse, and somewhere around here, I don't know exactly where did I took the trade. Maybe probably a 30-second inversion or like 30-second fair value gap. So that's where I took my second entry, and it played out really awesome. Um, so second entry, let's show that. Yeah, that's the second entry. I could have just let the trade run all the way to my take profit, but I was a little bit scared, and yeah, then I lost almost $500 on that one single trade. I don't know really. I had my risk management. I thought the price it would be probably around like 300 $350 risk. I had three contracts. I don't know, bro. Like, oh, oh man. Anyways, so this was the second trade. After the 30-second fair value gap, or like the 1 minute second fair value gap. whatever it is, somewhere on there. I took the first entry right, second entry here, and I caught the whole move. And I was breaking on that day, and I was waiting for the price to rip up further because we have a pretty time gap right down here. So once 1 minute time frame inverses, I took trade, and I should have just closed at the 50% of that range, market open range, but unfortunately, we got stopped out of break even on that trade. So it's right here. And once this one inversed, I got in a position right at this place. And yeah, it was a two contract trade. I didn't actually size up a little bit more because I really didn't want to like take a loss or something. So I could have just held this trade right to this point. So man, you know what I did? I just read my stop loss and I got stopped out right there. So that was a clean 1:1.63. This is a clean 1:1.38. And that's like 1:2.22. It's pretty nice trade. So this one got fucked up. I don't know, bro. I don't know what it got stopped me out. I don't know why that. I mean, that has a clear narrative now, but I didn't actually look into that at the moment. So, what the hell? Journal, literally. So here it is. What I was looking at, price sweep out internal lows, 1 minute time frame inversed, and I got in the position right here, targeting the next opposing liquidity, and I got my take profit smashed. That's what happened. I don't know why that's not saving up everything. So that was a clean trade, made another $250 on that trade. So we closed the day at $500. So here it is. P&L speed. Literally, look at that. Look at that. $500. Boom. First trade. Boom. And then the second trade was a nice trade. And like, could have just closed it somewhere around $200. But bro, I just closed at $500. I was trading my stop loss. I could have just held it a little bit longer. So I could have just made much more than that. So yeah, that's the first trade. That's a losing trade. Second trade, third trade is a break even. The fourth trade, that's what I was talking about. The sell trade, and the fifth trade is another sell trade where it closed a little bit earlier. And the fifth trade, sixth trade is on gold. Gold, oh, gold. We got two trades on gold. What the is that? What the hell? Oh, okay. I got it now. So I entered first one contract, another contract a little bit later. So this gold trade made me around $300, probably somewhere around 250, 300, somewhere around there. Nice day. I am so scared that I'm doing really good. That's why I'm scared of. Ah, anyways, anyways, God doing good in my life. God, God is great, yo. God is great. Just trust God, bro. Trust God every single time, bro. Without God, nothing is possible without God. Trust in God, bro. I'm telling you, nothing is possible without. And believing in yourself. That's the most one of the important thing. Believe in yourself and trust God. Never, ever, 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 ever ever throw your dreams or give up on your dreams. Keep chasing it, keep going it, keep going forward. And my dream is to be a cricket player. I want to represent my country. I want to do a lot of good things. And I gotta have a backup. So I don't know where it all started, but I just wanted to make a lot of money. I want to be a millionaire, probably 23. That's what I was aiming for. But still, I'm not so short of becoming one. I got the most best skill in the fucking world. And all I gotta do is just keep going and not give up and put the work every single fucking day. And I would achieve all of my dreams. I want to represent. This is it, man. Like, keep chasing your dreams, bro. Keep chasing your dreams. Never give up on it. Never. So I'm done here and I'm out. Adios.